Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. It is another delicious cooking recipe. If you want to see how I made this tasty, juicy seafood okra soup, please stay tuned. So for the ingredients for today, I am using crayfish, palm oil, prawn, Maggi, okra, thyme and salt, sweet bell pepper and habanero pepper, white onions. So guys, this is my tilapia fish. I am going to add onions and ingredients and we'll start boiling the fish. I am going to boil this fish for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add salt, I'm going to add thyme and 1 Maggi. I'm going to cover and we will boil it for 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, I am going to take out my fish out of the pot. So after taking out my fish, I am going to add my blended mixture. I'm going to cover that and let it start boiling up. Now, after allowing that to boil for 10 minutes, I am going to add ingredients. I'm going to add 3 Maggi. I'm going to add crayfish. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add thyme. I'm going to add a little bit more water because it's a bit dry. I'm going to allow that to boil for like 5 minutes. So after allowing it to boil for 5 minutes, I am going to add my prawn and I am going to add back my fish. So I'm going to cover. I'm going to keep the heat on a low heat like number 3, and I'm going to allow that to simmer with the fish and prawn for like 10 minutes, just on a very low heat. Allow them to simmer very well and get the juice of the sauce. I am going to add red oil in the pan. I'm going to allow that to heat up for a bit. I'm going to add onions. Allow that to simmer for a minute. After allowing that to simmer for a minute, I am going to add my okra inside it. Now I'm going to fry the okra and the red oil for a few seconds as well. a few seconds. I'm going to take that out of the stove. So guys, this our sauce has simmered for 10 minutes with the fish and the prawn. Now it is time to add in our okra. Now I'm going to taste for Maggi and salt and make sure there is enough Maggi and salt in it. Yeah, everything is perfect, everything is good. I love the way the chili, I can taste the chili because I want it to be a very spicy food. That's why I added 2 habanero pepper. So yes, we're going to allow that to simmer for a few seconds, okay? So guys, our soup is ready and it is looking so delicious and smelling so delicious as well. It is time to take this soup off from the stove, okay? So guys, our soup is out from the stove and it is smelling good and looking so delicious. This seafood okra soup is absolutely the bomb. I can't wait to dive in, guys. I can't wait to dive in. This pot is looking so inviting. Yes guys, this is where today's yummy recipe is going to end. If you have not liked, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for spending this wonderful time with me here in my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, share, and I will see you guys on my next one. Thank you. Bye.